Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you're reviewing PDFs with comments and want to ensure everything is polished and error-free before sharing your document with colleagues or clients. Let's walk through this together. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where all your PDF tools and files are accessible. From here, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where Adobe displays your most recently opened or edited documents, making it easy to find the PDF you want to work on. Go ahead and select the PDF file where you want to use spell check. Now that your document is open, click on the comment you want to check spelling in. Comments in PDFs can contain typos just like any other text, so this step ensures your feedback and notes are professional and clear. Once you've selected the comment, look over to the right panel. This panel displays the details of your selected comment and gives you several options for managing it. In the right panel, you'll see the comment displayed. Right-click directly on the comment itself. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Check Spelling. This action triggers Adobe's Spell Check tool, which is specifically designed to scan your comments for any spelling errors. Once you've selected Check Spelling, click Start. The Spell Check tool will now begin analyzing the text in your comment, identifying any words that might be misspelled or flagged as errors. Give it a moment to process, especially if your comment contains a lot of text. After the scan completes, a suggestion will appear on your screen showing the correct spelling options. Review the suggestions carefully to ensure they match what you intended to write. Select the correct spelling by clicking on it, then click Change. This replaces the misspelled word with the correct version instantly, cleaning up your comment. Once you've gone through all the suggestions and made all necessary corrections, click Done. This closes the Spell Check tool and returns you to your document view, where you can see your updated comment now free of spelling errors. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This ensures all your corrections are permanently stored in the PDF file. Saving is crucial here because without it, all the changes you just made could be lost if the program closes unexpectedly. And that's it. You've successfully used spell check in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to polish your comments and maintain professionalism in your PDF documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.